side Tech. In this I'm going to show you how to install the Fortnite game in the Realme GT 2 device. Yes friends, right now I do have the Realme GT 2 smartphone, and this is exactly the process of which I'm trying to show you in this video, how to install the Fortnite game in your Realme GT 2 device with the Snapdragon 888 processor. And first try to go to the Google Chrome browser and try to type the Fortnite APK. The first link, so this is epicgames.com, so try to go to the epicgames.com/android, and there you need to download this first. So let me download the Epic Games first. So you'll get this prompt message as well saying that download. So right now the download is going on and download has been completed. And first you need to install this Epic Games. So once you install the Epic Games, and now so this will take you to the page where you can actually install a couple of other games as well along with that. So in this video let's focus only on the Fortnite game, and right now click install. And from Epic Games you are installing the Fortnite game as well. Right now it's kind of installing. This is just only the APK, so make sure to remember your device size or storage size should be pretty high. I think more than 15 or 10 GB should be there definitely while you're downloading this Fortnite. So please make sure to keep that sufficient enough of storage. Right now once this Fortnite APK has been finished, so in my case I'm trying to use a Realme GT 2 device in this video, and let me to give the permission for the Epic Games as well to install the Fortnite. And right now Fortnite game is installing. This is just only the APK, still the game is not downloading friends. So now the Fortnite games is opening, and you can see the update size is of 5.53 GB is the size. Right now it's downloading the size, and clearly is here. So I will be back after some time once this GB has been downloaded in this phone. So right now as you can see friends, we are close to the end of the downloading of the Fortnite game exactly, and right now it's about to finish and finally it's done. So I think after this one you need to sign in to the Fortnite account, and right now it's kind of connecting, you can clearly see friends. And finally you'll be getting this kind of message saying that if you have the Fortnite account or not, you need to create or not, as you can see. So if you don't have the account, try to click on the create new account, and then you'll get the multiple options, so you can actually sign up with using this kind of account. So once you create your new account, and right now it should be able to logging in, as you can see right now it's loading exactly, and try to click accept. So once after the sign in and everything has been finished, you will get the two options. So asking you to select one of the option, which is low graphics settings and high graphics, as you can see. So high graphics will be included with the 3.45 GB of extra additional data. So that is what I did mention before, right? So close to 10 GB try to keep as free space in your device. So if you don't have that kind of free space, no problem, you can still use it with the low graphics settings as well. I mean low graphics. So in this way you'll be able to install the Fortnite game in any Android device. As you can see friends, finally the Fortnite game has been successfully installed at this moment in my phone. So thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates. Until then, bye.